What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are talking about Ethereum Classic today because there are some very interesting things going on in the NFT space. There is also some interesting things going on with the Grayscale Ethereum Classic Trust ETF, which is vulnerable for a short squeeze at this moment in time. But there's also a lot of analysts calling for all-time highs in Ethereum Classic, and Ethereum Classic has been rallying over the last 3 months, up about 36%. So let's go over everything you guys need to know. Drop that like on the video. Consider subscribing to the channel if you want more videos just like this one. So let's get into it, guys. Like I said, we are up 36% over the past month. On Robinhood, I know there's a price discrepancy between where you are trading Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic is almost $69. It has came down a little bit. It was just at $71 yesterday, but nothing to be concerned about. I just basically buy and hold this crypto, right? I'm holding it for 10, 20 years. I don't really care what happens day to day. Yes, I think there's a great trade here. I think we're going up a lot in value in the near-term future, but this is really a long-term buy and hold. I have 43.52 coins at 8.74% of my portfolio, so a decently large position in this portfolio. Average cost $80.17, value of $3,000. I am down 13.86% or $483. Pretty much minuscule. So let's get into this NFT situation, and this is about Ethereum, but there is some key takeaways from this. So Crypto Kitties, some of the earliest crypto Ethereum NFTs, from 2017 have started rising in value amidst the recent NFT market resurgence. Several of the original 100 Genesis Crypto Kitty NFTs sold for hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of Ethereum each over the last day. About 7.27 million worth of Crypto Kitties NFTs were transacted over a 24-hour period. That is incredible. And if we go to this Twitter post, you can actually see the NFTs that are listed still. 100 Ethereum for 2 of these, 89 for 1 of these, and then 80 Ethereum for this last one. That is a very large amount. Now, what this is basically telling me is that people want to be involved in Ethereum, but Ethereum Classic is the original Ethereum, so it will take some of that move from Ethereum. It tends to be when Ethereum and Bitcoin are rallying, Ethereum Classic tends to rally as well, but Ethereum Classic tends to have a higher percentage move. So I think overall, this is a great thing. It'll be interesting. I didn't look into what Ethereum Classic NFTs are doing just because I don't have a wallet set up, because I didn't get my ID until just a couple weeks ago because the government is very slow. So we'll be doing that. I want to pick myself up some Ethereum Classic NFTs. Now, let's talk about basically analysts calling for a breakout to the upside bigger than the last one. So Ethereum Classic is on the verge of a breakout. Could this one be bigger than the last? Says Ethereum Classic is trading higher Friday, moving higher alongside the rest of a bullish crypto market. Ethereum Classic looks to be on the verge of a breakout. The last time the crypto broke out, it ran to a high of $175. There's a chance if the crypto sees another breakout, the same result could happen. Now, basically, chart analysis, they are talking about this $80 resistance level, which we have marked on our chart, which we will talk about in 1 second. But they do have the $80 resistance marked, and that is going to be a huge resistance level. If we can break out above that, we're likely to see a lot of FOMO buyers and day traders start to buy into this. Now, as you guys do know, hedge funds, institutions, they love Ethereum Classic. There's a fixed coin amount. They are the second largest proof of work blockchain right behind Bitcoin, and nothing is going to change that. Now, if something crazy were to happen with proof of stake, I don't think that's going to happen, but if it did, proof of work blockchains, code is law, would run the space. So that is really a fluke thing if that would happen, but I do imagine a lot of hedge funds and institutions, they are going to start buying into ETC. And always keep in mind, you're not buying Ethereum Classic with the hype that Ethereum and Bitcoin have. Nobody is majorly endorsing them, right? You don't have Elon with Bitcoin, right? You don't have nobody endorsing Ethereum Classic. So once that day does come around, which trust me, it will come around, you're going to see an exponential jump in value of Ethereum Classic. Considering Ethereum Classic is only at a market cap of about $10 billion last time I did look, you're looking at the potential for a huge upside, a way bigger percentage move than even Bitcoin or Ethereum at this point. So let's move on to the hash rate, and this is very exciting as well. Something we want to see, something I talk about in every Ethereum Classic video. We actually did see a drop here September 2nd to 19.70 TH/s. Now we are back up on this continued rally of the hash rate. We are at 23.78 TH/s. This is a great sign, something you want to see. I'm not really sure why this drop did happen. Somebody must have turned off their rigs, you know, a warehouse or something. Something happened, but you want to see this continue to go up, and this is the estimate of how many hashes per second ETC miners are performing. So the more the better, the more there is, the more secure the blockchain overall is. And at this point, it's impossible to do a 51% hack. So I think a lot of people are still concerned about this 51% hack potential, and any proof of work blockchain can be hacked, right? Bitcoin could be hacked, or attacked, I should say. It's not even a hack, it's an attack. Ethereum Classic could be attacked as well, but there is too many people mining on the blockchain really for that to happen, and it would cost more money. I believe like $25 million just to get an hour on the blockchain than it would even be worth. So a lot of reasonings to why Ethereum Classic is really not at risk of being attacked at this current point. Now, the Grayscale Ethereum Classic Trust ETF. Now, I called this out in the last video, and not too much has actually happened. 7 days ago at 165,000, 90,000 shares that are out on loan. Now, Ortex does not give an estimated short interest, but I do imagine a lot of these shares out on loan are actually being sold short into the open market. And if you guys remember, this is a while back, jog your memory, Ethereum Classic Trust, they basically, one share controls 0.8 Ethereum Classic coins. So when they are shorted into the market, when you see these shorts actually have to buy back their positions, they're actually buying the coins back, or 0.8 of one coin for every single share. So you're looking at the potential here to see well over 100,000 coins that would have to be purchased by the short sellers and ultimately purchased by this Grayscale Ethereum Classic Trust ETF. And that is a very large amount relative to the volume that we do see on Ethereum Classic each and every day, only in the couple $100,000 thousand range, right? When we saw this last rally on ETC, we only saw about 12 million in volume for the day. So it was nothing crazy, but 100,000 coins going in a relatively fast time frame could cause an exponential move to the upside, which could cause FOMO buyers, day traders, even hedge funds and institutions to jump in on some trades of Ethereum Classic. As we do know, hedge funds, institutions, they have access to derivatives. We do not, and it's basically impossible to figure out what kind of derivatives they are playing. But I do imagine all those things to come to fruition. Now, like I said, the technicals are pretty much straightforward. You just have to pass over $80, right? You have to stay above 60. You have to pass over 80 to confirm a rally. And I do think we're going to pass over 80, but only time will tell, and we will see if everybody is right with their due diligence on Ethereum Classic. And I plan to hold my coin, so I really don't care what happens. If you're looking for a trade in this, then definitely you want to see Ethereum Classic go crazy. I wouldn't mind, but I'm not going to sell if it does anyways. This is a long-term buy and hold for me. So that is all for this video. Quick update, what is going on with Ethereum Classic? Drop that like on the video, subscribe to the channel, all of that good stuff. Check out the 4 links linked down below in the description. There is 2 links for free stock. There's a link for the buy and sell alerts. We have been killing it over there. You guys will be notified in real time every time a trade is bought or sold. And just over the last week alone, only with a couple $100 worth of initial trading capital, you would have made enough in profits to cover that cost for over 1 year's time. So definitely check that out. So with all that being said, guys, I love and appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you for the support. I hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend, but I will see you in the next video.